And the proposed 2014 budget of the Presidential Communications Operations Office was tackled in the committee level at the lower house today. And lawmakers are in support of moves for additional funding to boost the information campaign of the government. Freddy Abando reports.
It is unusual for the opposition in the House to push for the of the budget of any government agency in the plenary debates for the proposed 2014 national budget. No less than Congressman Jonathan De La Cruz of Abacada party list of the Independent Bloc initiated the move in moving for additional allocation for the Presidential Communication Operations Office under Secretary Sonny Coloma. The proposed PCOO budget is a little over 1 billion pesos. The budget was presented and defended by House Appropriations Committee Vice Chairman Daquila Cua. De La Cruz stressed more resources are needed by its attached agencies to include PTV4 and Radyo ng Bayan to enhance its massive information thrust to inform and educate our people on the programs of the Aquino government.
Ang PCOO po ba ay ang opisinang may hawak ng karamihan sa mga news gathering, information, and media services ng ating pamahalaan. Yan po ba ang hawak ng PCOO?
Tama po, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague.
At ang hawak po nito ay nagbabadya para sa bayan sapagkat napakaraming pangangailangan pala. Nalalaman ko po na napakaraming pangangailangan ang ating pamahalaan, lalong-lalo na para sa isang programa na sinasaad ng ating Pangulo para sa inclusive growth at saka para sa empowerment ng ating mga mamamayan.
PTV's budget is 859 million pesos, which will cover its massive program to re-engineer, retool, and reprogram the network. De La Cruz stressed PTV needs more given its sorry state left by the past management of the network.
Information is power, and now more than ever, we see that new media is now the source of power or empowerment for our citizenry. The more they know how to tailor their lives according to the issues. Halimbawa na lang may disaster at may typhoon. Kung hindi alam ng ating kababayan na may parating na bagyo, how can they prepare for that? So this Information Bureau is really one of the most critical arms of government in empowering its citizenry.
PCOO Secretary Coloma said the House is a big boost for the government's information drive to make our people aware of the Philippine Development Plan. Coloma said a DevComNet is in place which links the PCOO with all government agencies in the total communication efforts which will educate our people on the gains of inclusive growth.
Hindi lamang po ang PCOO ang gumaganap sa ganyan tungkulin. Lahat naman po ng executive branch departments, national government agencies, government-owned and controlled corporations. Lahat po niyan ay mayroong kani-kanyang information, education, and communication programs. At kami po sa PCOO ay masinsin na nakikipag-ugnayan sa lahat sa kanila sa pamagitan ng DevComNet, yung Development Communication Network ng pamahalaan. Diyan po namin pinapanday yung mga konkretong programa ng komunikasyon, lalong-lalo na doon sa paglalahad at pagpapaliwanag sa ating mga kababayan hinggil sa Philippine Development Plan.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.